So I'm going to show you how you can make a contact group using Google Contacts and PowerSchool to generate a list of all students or all teacher emails. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here to PowerSchool and I'm going to log into my gradebook. And once I've gone into PowerSchool and logged in, I'm going to open up PowerTeacher Pro. And once I've launched PowerTeacher Pro, in the upper left-hand corner, there's an option that says Class. And from here, I want to email class. Now from this option, I get a list of either all of the student emails or all of the parent emails that I have for every student that's in this particular class. So if I wanted to select all the student emails, I could simply check this box at the top, or the same with parent emails, or I could go through and check individual ones if I wanted to. Once I've selected them all I have to do down here at the bottom is tell it to build that list. And once it does, it puts all of those emails listed here just like this. Highlights it automatically for me. Now all I have to do is copy it. So I'm going to do a Command C to do a copy. And then once I've copied it, I'm going to go over here to what's called Google Contacts. The address for Google Contacts is either contacts.google.com or you can find it in your waffle if you want. And once I've gone to Google Contacts, what I need to do is I am going to, first of all, before I add these contacts, I'm going to create what's called a label. So over here on the left-hand side, I have some labels already, but there's an option that says create a label. So I'm going to create a list called Third Hour Parents, just like that, and hit create. And then that will generate a label called Third Hour Parents, which right now is empty. There is nobody in it. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up here to create a contact, and I could either do one or I could do multiple. And in this case, I want multiple contacts since I have a whole list here. And all I have to do is paste this list right here by doing a Command V or Edit Paste, and it automatically adds all of those email addresses for those parents, just like that. Before I hit create, up here at the top, now you'll see, because I have Third Hour Parents selected over here first before I created it, it will apply that label to all of them. If it's set to something else, all I'd have to do is choose that label, or I could generate a new label from this box as well. But I like to create it first, and then go ahead and select that Third Hour Parents label, and then hit create, and then what it does is it generates a group called Third Hour Parents, which will then have all of those addresses in it. So now my group is created. Here are all my Third Hour Parents listed in one spot. So now to email these parents, all I need to do is I can simply go into my Gmail. And when I'm in my Gmail, I'm going to create a new message. And when I compose this new message, I am going to enter in Third Hour Parents as the to field. Now, I don't want to do it in the original box. I need to do it in the BCC field. Otherwise, all of the parents or students will be able to see everybody else's email addresses. So for privacy's sake, I'm going to go ahead and just send this message to myself. And then in BCC, I'm going to go ahead and type in Third Hour Parents. There it is. And when I click it, it automatically fills in all their addresses. Because it's in the BCC field, and it will hide and protect all those from each other. They can't reply, and they won't be able to send a message to anything. But then I can go through and add my subject and message just like I normally would and send it off. So that's all there is to setting up Google Contacts to create your own mail groups.